Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalera and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Dear students, nowadays we are discussing about personal response type questions or open-ended questions. And this one is the second video of this series. And today's video we shall see some of the personal response or open-ended questions and answers of Standard 10 Subject English Lower Level and Unit Number 2. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see some of the open-ended questions and answers from Unit Number 2. And name of the lesson is The Boy Who Broke the Bank. Question number 1. Do you think Nathu and Sitaram were the best friends? Justify your answer. Answer. Yes, I think that Nathu and Sitaram were the best friends because they understood their problems. They shared their views to each other. However, they helped each other in critical time. Next question. If you do not get the regular payment, what will you do? Answer. If I do not get the regular payment, I will inquire the authority. I will understand the reasons of it. If it continues, I will leave the job. Next question. How do you help your friend? Answer. I help my friend in different ways. I give him books and notebooks. I share my bike with him. I share my opinions with him. I understand his problems and try to solve them. However, I stand by him in every situation. Next question. Do you like to join banking services? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to join banking services because they are interesting services. They are useful services for common people. I would like to take banking facilities up to the common people. These services provide a chance of social service. However, they are suitable to my temperament. Next question. If you are not satisfied with your present job, what will you do? Answer. If I am not satisfied with my present job, I will find more suitable job. Next question. Do you like to go for shopping? Give reasons. Answer. Yes, I like to go for shopping because I would like to buy different things for me. I would like to see a variety of products. I can meet different customers while shopping. However, shopping gives me a joyful experience. Next question. What do you do to escape from the hottest summer? Answer. I use fans, air conditioner and cooler at home. I avoid to go outside in the afternoon. I use sun coats, goggles and cap while going outside. I drink cold water. Next question. How will you buy clothes for you? Answer. I will buy branded clothes for me. I will see its brand, its shade, texture and design. Next question. What will you do if you hear any rumors? Answer. If I hear any rumor, I will try to get the details of that rumor. I will try to know the fact behind the rumor. Next question. What will you do if you have an account in a bankrupt bank? Answer. If I have an account in a bankrupt bank, I will go in the bank. I will meet the bank manager or bank authority. I will try to know the details about bankrupt. If it is a fact, I will try to get my money as early as possible. Next question. What do you think about Kamal Kishore's actions of spreading rumor? Answer. I think that Kamal Kishore's actions of spreading rumor was wrong. He had not confirmed the fact. He had not known the details of the matter. His action was improper. However, his action was unsuitable. Next question. What would you do if you were in place of Kamal Kishore? Answer. If I were in a place of Kamal Kishore, I would go in the bank. I would meet the bank authority and confirm the matter. Next question. How do you spend your holidays? Answer. I spend my holidays in joyous mood. I visit different places. I go to my uncle's village. I play different games. I join some holiday camps. I enjoy different videos and computer games. Next question. Describe your favorite holiday destination. Answer. Tirumala Hill Station is my favorite tourist holiday destination. I like to take darshan of Lord Venkatesh. I like the various natural sites in Tirumala. However, it is full of flora and fauna. Next question. What do you feel if you see a beggar? Answer. If I see a beggar, I feel sad and bad about him. I feel uncomfortable to see him. I feel sympathy and compassion about him. Next question. Do you like to save your money? Answer. Yes, I like to save my money because saving money is a good thing as well as good habit. Saving money is useful in our future. Saving money leads us to prosperity. Saving money protects us from future financial crisis. Next question. What would you do if you see a beggar? Answer. If I see a beggar, I would give him some food. I would give him my old clothes. I would give him some coins. Next question. How, according to you, should the crowd behave with the manager? Answer. According to me, the crowd should behave politely with the manager. They should inquire the details silently. They should understand the problem of manager patiently. They should believe in manager. However, they should wait till the following day. Next question. If you go to the bank to get money and the bank has no cash, what will you do? Answer. If I go to the bank to get money and the bank has no cash, I will inquire the manager about the fact politely. I will understand their problem. However, I will follow their instructions. Next question. Who, according to you, is responsible to spread the news bankrupt? Answer. According to me, Sitaram, the washerman's boy who was responsible to spread the news of bankrupt. It was Sitaram who informed about no payment to Nathu by bank. The news spread widely through the discussion Mrs. Srivastav and Mrs. Bhushan. Next question. What do you learn from this story? Answer. I learned that one should not believe in rumors. One should try to understand the facts. Let's see some of the personal response type questions and answers from the lesson 2.4 and epitome of courage. Question number 1. Do you love music? Why? Answer. Yes, I love music because it is melodious. Listening music provides heavenly experience for me. Music provides joyful as well as exhilarating moments. However, it comforts my soul. Next question. What will you do if you are suffering from any disease? Answer. If I am suffering from any disease, I will see my family doctor. I will take his advice and medicines. I will follow the prescriptions given by doctor. However, I will take complete rest. Next question. What would you do to improve your handwriting? Answer. I would improve my handwriting by following different techniques. I would get the guidance of an expert teacher. I would learn about shape and size of letters. I would learn cursive writing and the art of calligraphy. However, I would practice regularly. Next question. Do you like to do research work? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to do research work because it is really challenging job. I would like to invent new things. Research work appeals to my brain and mind. However, it is a creative work. I would like to create new things through research work. Next question. How will you feel if you receive any award? Answer. If I receive any award, I will feel joyful. I will feel happy about myself. I will feel confident about my efforts. However, I will feel proud about myself. Next question. What types of books do you like to read? Why? Answer. I like to read comic books because they are full of amazing situations. They contain many funny and joyful situations. They provide me comic relief in my busy routines. They entertain me in well manner. However, they give me lessons of morality through funny situations. Next question. Who is your favorite writer? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore is my favorite writer. His writing is simple and lucid. I like his writing style and themes are based on religious background. His books provide me lessons of morality. Next question. Describe your favorite books in 3 or 4 sentences. Answer. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's Wings of Fire is my favorite book. It is an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It describes personal history and events in the life of Kalam. It is one of the best-selling books of our time. Let's see some of the personal response types questions and answers from the lesson 2.5 book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. Question number 1. Do you agree technology isn't big in kids' life? Why? Answer. No, I do not agree that technology isn't big in kids' life because nowadays everything is going with technology. Technology has become an integral part of children's life. The students play video games, mobile games. They enrich their knowledge by visiting different websites. So it is unwise to say technology isn't big in a kid's life. Next question. How will you convince the children who hate school? Answer. I will convince the children who hate school in different ways. I will tell them importance of education in life. I will tell them how education builds our character and personality. I will tell them about career opportunities after education. Next question. Do you like to read Swami and Friends? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to read Swami and Friends because it is a teen book. It presents a book like me. I like to know various mischievous activities of Swami. However, I would like to find simplicity in R.K. Narayan's writing. Also, I am a fan of R.K. Narayan's writing. Next question. Do you like to review books? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to review books because reviewing books is an interesting activity. It provides me an ample opportunity to read various books. It provides me joyful situations. However, it suits my hobby of reading books. Let's see some of the questions and answers of lesson 2.6 World Heritage. Question number 1. What do you think about the works of UNESCO? Answer. I think that the work of UNESCO is great. It is a really praiseworthy job to protect the World Heritage Sites. It is a useful work for the entire world. However, it is a need of time. Next question. What, according to you, is the importance of World Heritage Sites? Answer. According to me, the World Heritage Sites are important for people in the world. They stand for natural, social, cultural, and historical importance. They are the links between present and past world. However, they are the pole stars to guide the present world. Next question. What will you do to protect natural sites in your area? Answer. I will do different things to protect natural sites in my area. I will make some rules and regulations to protect them. I will try to avoid trespassing of humans and animals. I will avoid unrestricted access of humans at such sites. I will try to appoint security and protect such sites. Next question. Write 4 names of dams in Maharashtra. Answer. 1. Jaikwadi project. 2. Ujni project. Third one, Manjra project, and fourth one, Vishnupuri project. Next question. What is the importance of dams? Answer. Dams are very important to collect and control water. Dams provide drinking water throughout the year. However, dams are important for agriculture and industries. Next question. Do you like to visit World Heritage Sites? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to visit the World Heritage Sites because I want to know the details of those places. I would like to learn special features of those places. I would like to enjoy scenic and cultural beauty of those places. Next question. Describe your visit to the World Heritage Site. Answer. I visited Hampi, the World Heritage Site. Hampi is in Bellary district of Karnataka. Hampi was the capital of Vijayanagar Empire. Nowadays, Hampi is filled with relics and monuments. Pushkarni is a remarkable construction in Hampi. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.